Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you a quick overview, size, and what all the connections are on this here battery and what it can be used for. You might be looking at something for, let's say a security system or something like that, but let me give you some ideas on the details of this that you might want to know that have to do with like measurement, because it probably needs to fit where it needs to go. So width on this is 3.5 this way. Height is 3 7/8. Width this way is 3.5, right on the money. You have these types of connections. So if you are connecting to something and you need to connect to it, that's how it's set up. The connections, from a sizing standpoint, holy mackerel, are 3 inches apart. And this particular one has a standby use of 3.5 to 3.8 volts. Cycle use 14.4, right here. 14.4 to 14.9, and initial current is less than 1.5 amps. So if you need to know all those details about this here battery, hopefully that helps.